Soar Luang Bong Kipir Kitagan part of fashion designer model ahin anso se aprang anat kengkam kachejor pon thekja phanpura pini haflong rong sope agriculture guest house along Dima Hasao Fashion Week season 1 apartment audition round kapadopon Dima Hasao Women Association kachepatir pi bonalong Karbi Anglong Golden Wings atu pen cherap chitodun se anso se Karbi Anglong district pen Dima Hasao district along ta Soar Lo Ajakong lapen Soar Long Bong Kipir ke thak anparta fashion designer model ahin aprang anat kengkam kache jordun thekja phanpura pini haflong along Dima Hasao Fashion Week season 1 apartment audition round padopon Jasmine Bangso along akimang pon laki tourism hin anso se pirthe adang kapacha thang ponja phanpura kicheng si Dima Hasao Women Association lapen Karbi Anglong pen Golden Wings atum chelang rapet si kicheng si Dima Hasao Fashion Week season 1 apartment audition round paman pon Bangso ahut kado kabe soarlo lapen sopinso bang berapho model satupen nang chetong dundu lapen la bangso ke chengsi Dima Hasao Fashion Week season 1 audition run along kang saidona bang philake moromi mai bangsa Emmanuel Singsom Malo Kropia tumpensi la bangso audition round ing samjin pen pachun for Denarong pen Bikram Teram Karbi Anglong live